Hey there, welcome to another video on this channel. Today we'll have a look at part 2 of the Hubelino special delivery. Let's do some brain training with this Sudoku set. But first, let's see what's in the box. There are 4 different colors of blocks: green, red, blue, and yellow. We've got regular full color blocks and the same amount with a white border. In total, this game contains 32 nice colored blocks, and as you know, they are 100% compatible with Lego Duplo. Finally, there is a booklet with a brief explanation and a bunch of Sudoku puzzles on 3 difficulty levels. Solutions for each puzzle are included, of course. Now let's move fast forward to the very first puzzle. Okay, time to solve the puzzle. Now this is the very first puzzle in the booklet, which is on easy mode, so this shouldn't be any problem. Well, let's see. Perfect Sudoku there. You should try the hard ones. Can you outsmart the dino? Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again next time.